Happy and healthy time to all. This is Karthik Healing Buddha. Today's workout we are going to see a different version of training yourself. I know everyone will be getting bored when you do the same routine. So for this I'm going to use the cards for make your exercise little surprise like our 2020 year. Every month is a surprise for us. So in this exercise you're going to have the cards. You're going to pick up only the few cards, not the numbers, only the major cards. You'll be taking A, K, J, Q. Okay, and for Joker is for recovery. So you'll be taking four cards from each cards, and one Joker will be there for recovery. So total you'll be doing around 15 exercises, or sorry, 17 exercises will be there. So you will not be knowing which exercise is going to come the next. You may be end up doing the same exercise 4 sets, or you may be having a different one. So for example, I'll say A heart in stands for any heart in you get, it stands for the squats. It's like a conditioning, you're going to do the whole body. So it is for the squats. This is for push-up. A dice for your core. Claver comes for your back extension, your strengthening of your back. So totally we are going to cover up the 4 major exercises and for the whole body. So starting with squats, push-ups, core and the back extension. So you are going to do a repetition. For example, if you are getting A, it is 5. You're going to do 5 repetition. If you are getting next J, that will be 10, K will be 15 and Q will be 20 repetitions. So you're going to do 4 sets of each. In between you will get a joker, you will get a recovery. Are you ready? We will start the exercise. I'm going to shuffle the cards because I don't know what are the cards. So I'm going to arrange it by one. So starting from first, so I'm going to keep 1, 2. So are you ready? We will start the exercise. You're going to pick up your lucky card. Anything, any card you can pick it up. It's not only one. You can. So you can take the first one. So first exercise. Okay. A heart in is 5 squats. We're going to do a 5 squat. So feet apart, shoulder width distance. If you want, you can keep your hands free squats. You swing yourself when you're sitting, try to sit back, pushing your hip back and raising your hands in the front to counterbalance. So start 5 squats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, next one. Okay, K spade. It is more of upper body push-ups. So K is 15 push-ups I have to do. So always starting position, go down, arrange your hand. So 15 push-ups. 15. Okay, next. I'm not going to give any recovery until I finish. If I get the joker, I will be having a recovery. So J dice, it's again, you're going to do a 10 core. Crunches, lie down on your back. First, put your tummy in, tuck in, keep your legs, okay, keep your hands here. If you're comfortable, you can keep it here also. So, you're going to do 10 crunches. So start 1, 10. See, it is not a must to do it faster. You can take your own recovery time. So I am not tired, so I am going to do it faster. Okay, again, next one is again Q dice. It is going to be killer for me. It's 20 crunches again. Okay, another one. One. Okay, we'll see what is going to come for me the next. Joker. So I got a recovery. So until you get your breathe, you can have a recovery now. I'm not tired, so I'm going to do the repetition. So if you want, you can have more jokers. Okay, next. J spade is more of again upper body. J stands for 10 counts, push-ups. Again push-up killer. So you want to do a modified version, you can do a modified version. I'll go with the big version. Okay, we'll see what's next. Again, it is a 5 push-ups. You will be enjoying the workout. KF dives. So again, 15 crunches. Okay, kind of I'm feeling. J clava. Okay, the J clava is again for your back extension. So you're going to do 10 back extension. Okay, I'm going to pick it up here. J clava. Again, this is for back again, 5. Still I didn't get any pushes, squats. I got 20 squats. In 20. Okay, still I can push. Fist pad. Again, push up. 20 push ups. Okay, the 6 remaining. J, again I'm going to do 10 squats. Okay, you can take your time. So until you get your breath, I want to push. It's more like a high intensity interval training. So I'm going to do, ready? So I'm going to do a deep squat, going down full more. Okay, next, killer. Again, you're going to do squats, 10, sorry, 15 squats. Ready? Another 4 more exercises are there. I got a jogger, so I'm going to take a recovery. Come on guys, 3 more sets to go. Take a recover, get your breathe. So again, this workout helps you to challenge you more, and you will not be getting bored also, because same routine you will be following for months, so you will get bored. But this one, definitely the routine will change, and this will push your limits to the maximum. Okay, I'm ready. I'm going to push myself. Okay, clear. Again, 15. Back, Superman. Okay. Back, 15. 15. Okay, 2 more to go. 2 more to go. What I'm going to get, what is remaining? Again, hook claver, back extension, 20. Last, what is there for me? Crunches, 5 crunches to finish my workout. Okay. Ready? 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So with this, we are finishing one round. You want to continue again the second round? You can shuffle the cards and you can arrange it and you can do the intensity. You can feel the difference. So if you like my workout, please subscribe my channel and please click the bell button to get notification of my updated videos. Please share with your friends and be healthy. Your healing time starts on this channel. Thank you.